Hey guys, Tom from Digismoothie, and in this video I will show you how to hide sold out variants from your Shopify storefront. If you have been watching the latest Shopify editions, one of the things Shopify announced was the variant level product visibility, and what it means that previously you could control the visibility on the product level, so you can either publish or unpublish the whole product, which worked fine unless the product has variants. And the problem was when you want to control your variants. So on the storefront, it typically looked like this. So one of the variants was sold out and it was visible, but the customer couldn't purchase it. So there was little to no value by showing the sold out variant. Luckily, Shopify, they changed the logic and now you can select the channels on the variant level. So you can go and for each variant of the product, you can pick the channel where it's published. So if some of your variants are out of stock, you can obviously unpublish them and they will disappear from the storefront and it will look like this. Now you obviously don't want to manage it manually. So I've asked Sidekick to create a flow. And the problem apparently is that Sidekick cannot do the variant level publishing or unpublishing. It actually told me it's not possible. And that's exactly why we have added this capability to our app called Nada. So if you go to Nada settings, you should see the hiding option for individual variants as they sell out. If you don't see it, you can let us know using the chat icon and we'll enable it for you. And I will now show you how it works. So now I have the excess variant as out of stock. It's visible on the storefront and I cannot do anything about it. And I will go to Nada app, settings, and I will enable it as a feature. Now I will go to my products and I will make this one out of stock. So I will do it by checking inventory and making available 0. I'll save. Now in a couple of seconds, Nada will catch the webhook and I will click on refresh. And as you can see, the product has been partially hidden. So on the storefront, the variant is no longer visible. Now when I go back to product and I will make it available again. So let's say I can, for example, increase the quantity. Nada will again catch the webhook and make the product available again. As you can see, it's available. So I hope in the future, making the flow will be possible. Until now, you can go to Shopify App Store and search for the Nada app and install it. It's just $9.99 per month. And besides the hiding products, you can also use it to sort collections or receive out-of-stock emails. Thanks much for watching. I hope this was useful. And if you'd like to stay on top of Shopify, please subscribe to our channel.